Hello friends. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Okay. In the previous video, we have already discussed that how to set up the ant migration. Okay, how to install that. We have already discussed that you need to set up. Your system should have Java latest version. And also yeah, R Java above 11. Okay, and in your system Apache Ant should be installed. Okay, and there are two software, Java version and Apache Ant should be installed in your system, and the path variable should be set up correctly. Okay, so in the previous video we have already discussed, and then you need to download the ant migration tool. Okay, and for the Salesforce. Okay, and you need to you have already discussed that in the ant migration tool, what is the file. If you unzip that file, a sample file, and inside the sample there are so many folders. Okay, and there are two properties, build XML. Okay, so mm, here if we uh, check, if we here you can see the Salesforce Ant. Okay, and for Salesforce Ant there is a here sample folder. Okay, and inside the sample folder you are able to see that multiple folder, code package, my package, remove code package, unpackage, and there are two folder, build properties and build XML. Okay, so okay, so here there is two file, build properties and build XML. Build properties contains your username and password. Okay, and build XML that contains the commands. Okay, which you run. Okay, and that commands once you execute. So here is the build properties. Okay, so cancel that. Let's go to the notepad. So you can see here there is a build properties, so username and password. आप जौन जिस org से, जिस Salesforce DevOps से आप source code retrieve करना चाहते हैं, if you want to retrieve the source code from that org, so that username and that password should be here with token. Okay, security token. Password here should be username, username, and here should be password, password, and password and security token, with security token. Okay, security security token. Okay, so then it should work, otherwise it will not work. How will you get the security token? You need to go to here in your Salesforce all. Okay, so you can see here you need to go to your Salesforce all and click on the your file folder and click on the setting. Okay, so inside setting you can see my personal information like that. Okay, so here if you click setting. Okay, so you can see na advance. This is my personal information. What is that? Okay, and now here is reset my security token. So you need to click on the reset my security token. If you click on here reset my security token, you would get the security token in your email, whatever the email you have registered with this org. Okay, so that password and security token should be here. Okay, and then that package XML, whatever the you want to retrieve. Okay, so like apex class, apex trigger, validation rule, custom permission, metadata, whatever the custom setting. Okay, so lightning component or a component visual force package, so you can add inside the custom label. You can add inside the package XML. Whatever the you have added inside the package XML, that should be only retrieved or that should be only deployed. Okay, so there are two file: build XML, build properties, and then third package.xml. Okay, so where is the package.xml? Inside the unpackaged, that is the package xml. Whatever the you have added, apex class or trigger or whatever is that, okay, so that should be retrieved. So here I have added, you can see apex class and apex trigger. Okay, so that only apex class and apex trigger should be retrieved from your org. Okay, so and where is that? This is inside of the unpackaged folder. Okay, so we will give the command retrieve unpackaged, means this folder should be retrieved. Okay, means inside that folder, whatever the package xml, inside that package xml, uh, here package xml, that should be only retrieved. Okay, so let's go to the command cmd. Okay, so here now, here give the command ant 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 ret what is the spelling? uh, retrieve, retrieve, retrieve on packaged, unpackaged, spelling सही है, unpackaged. Okay, so now retrieve and package does not exist in project sample. Okay, so let's copy the retrieve and package. Okay, and go to the command. Okay, this is saying that we are not getting the sample code run. So here anti and paste. So now you can see, that here you are getting, once we give the command and retrieve package, we are getting the message like that, what is invalid username password security token or user logged out. Okay, means in the build xml, that is saying the build.xml invalid as username password, means saying inside the build xml, whatever the username password security token you have provided, that is incorrect. Okay, so let's provide the correct details inside the build xml. Okay, okay, so now I have provided the username password, okay, correctly. Then give the command and retrieved on package. Okay, so now you can see here uh, that in the sample folder we have a folder, okay, retrieved on package, but that is the created once you run the ant once you run this command and retrieve package, it will generate the one folder. Okay, and if the executed successfully, the data will come here. Otherwise, if that fail, so the only package will only folder will be created and folder will be blank. So let's delete this one. Okay, and let's delete. Okay, so now you can see here there are code my package, remove code, unpackage, build XML. Okay, so now I have provided correct username, password, and security token. Let's run. So now you are able to see that request of retrieving submitted successfully. The request ID for the current retrieve task and waiting for server finishing, means that is process. Request status in progress and then success. Okay, so let's go to the folder. Okay, let's go to the folder here and let's back then. So now you can see the retrieved unpackaged folder is generated. Okay, let's open that folder. So now you can see that classes and trigger. We have added in the package.xml only classes and trigger. Okay, so here you can see I have added in the package.xml apex class and apex trigger only. Okay, so that classes and trigger is retrieved. You can see that there is a classes, whatever the classes in my all classes should be retrieved. Okay, and here whatever the trigger. Okay, so that all triggers should be retrieved. Okay, so if suppose you want to retrieve only single classes or means particular classes, particular triggers, so you need to put you you need to put the name, exact name of the class, exact name of the trigger inside the package.xml. So that package.xml should be retrieved only that particular classes and particular trigger. Okay, so so how to add that particular classes, particular trigger? So here let's go to the here let's go to the my download folder. So that is the uh, so okay, no problem. So like that you can add members means apex page. Suppose there is a class. Okay, here apex class, so you can add like test class. Suppose test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. So you can add test 1 2 3 class, and that is apex class. So that should be retrieved. Okay, that means only that test 1 2 3 class should be retrieved. Okay, once you run the command. Okay, here once you run the command. So in the package.xml we have provided now apex class and apex trigger. Okay, means star apex class and star apex trigger means what all star means treating all the apex classes should be retrieved in from that all, and the apex trigger all apex trigger should be retrieved. Okay, so particular class, particular trigger, particular component you want to retrieve, so that particular name should be putted here. Okay, so that class only should be called. Means suppose xyz, there is a class here, xyz, there is a class. Okay, so that class only should be retrieved. Okay, all class should not be retrieved. Okay, so that is the difference from star and particular name. Okay, so so here suppose I want, let's remove the trigger this. Okay, let's remove this trigger. Okay, and here I want only one class to retrieve. Okay, so let's go to the folder. Okay, here salesforce and sample and retrieve class, copy any class. Suppose account batch. Okay, this is the class. Okay, open, cancel, what is it? Here edit notepad. So here this is the class account batch. Okay, remove this. This is the blank. Okay, account batch. I want to delete retrieved unpackaged. Delete this one. Sorry, delete this folder. Okay, so I have deleted that folder, retrieved unpackaged. Okay, now update. Now update the package.xml, edit with notepad. So here give the name of that class, account batch. So that class only should be retrieved. Okay, save it, go to the command here, and you can see here, you can see here there is a no retrieve package. Okay, there is a no retrieve package. You can see here there is a no any retrieve packaged, retrieve unpackaged folder. Okay, so let's go to the and package.xml only one class account batch is added. So means only one class should be retrieved. Okay. So let's go to the command. Here, give the command. So now successfully current retrieve ID success finished. Okay. So let's go to the folder. So you can see here retrieved unpackaged. Okay. Open this. That is the class. Not previously, and there are coming classes and trigger. Okay. So and currently now only coming only one folder classes, and inside the classes only one class, means whatever the class you have given account with, that is retrieved. Okay, that is the XML file now. Okay, so you can see here that is retrieved. Okay, and that is blank. Okay, here. So now I want to add something else. Okay, save it. Okay, and now let's open this class in my all. Okay, here developer sandbox. Okay, developer console, and now open this class. So now you are able to see that that is a blank. Okay, and now I have added what is that. This is the things. Okay, I now want to deploy this class to that all. Okay, so how to deploy? Okay, so there is a command you need to give deploy, deploy, deploy. And how do you find that command? Okay, so here inside the build xml you can find. Okay, so here deploy, this is the that is this is the command to retrieve unpackaged. Okay, and now you want to deploy unpackaged. Okay, so deploy unpackaged. And what is the root folder? Retrieved unpackaged means once we are retrieving by command, so that the retrieved unpackaged folder is generated. Okay, so here you are able to see that now once we are running the retrieve command, so the retrieved unpackaged we are a retrieve unpackaged folder is generated. Okay, so if we give the command deploy unpackaged, so what should be deployed? So deploy root retrieved unpackaged folder means whatever the folder retrieve unpackaged, whatever the classes or whatever the component is there, that should be deployed. So currently only one class is there and that should be deployed. Okay, so give that command. Let's copy deploy and go to the deploy. Okay, and here here and deploy unpackage. Okay, so now you can see here request of deploy submitted successfully. Okay, and status in progress. Okay, so let's wait. You can see here now that is succeeded. Okay, here you can see that is processing. That command we have executed deploy unpackaged, you can see here, and then submitted successfully and in progress and succeeded, that is that. Okay, so here you are able to see that deployment succeeded. Okay, so let's open that. Okay, let's open that, and we are able to see that that is deployed or not, because that is check false is true. Check false as check only is a false. Okay, so here go to that and account batch. Okay, 1 2 3. You can see here that is deployed. Okay, account batch, because check only is false. Okay, so if check only is false, so it will deploy the code directly. Okay, so you need to take care about that. If you want to validate, so here check only should be true. Okay, true, true. Okay, then save. And now change the class here, adding where is that, here account batch. I want to add multiple lines. Okay, and now check only is true. Now here you can see, now here check only true. Okay, so you can see here check only true. Now let's happen what is happening. Okay, so deploy, that is saved or not, that is saved now. So deploy unpackage. So that is the progress. Okay, so okay, now you can succeed, now it is succeeded. Okay, let's refresh this. Okay, and open this class. Now you are able to see that one deployed is succeeded. Okay, but only there are two lines, means there is no changes. Okay, but here you can see we have added multiple lines as well. Okay, so what is happening, it is inside the DEPLO DE, what is that, inbound, sorry, let's go to here, setup. Okay, and now inbound, deployment DEPLOY, deployment status. Okay, so now here you can see first we have given the command that is succeeded, but second one that is only validate succeeded, but it is not deployed. Okay, so you can see here deployment components need to run apex test. Okay, so means what I want to make a point, if the check only, if the check only, if the check only is true, so only it should be validated. Okay, and if check only is false, it would directly deployed. Okay, so you need to take care about that. Okay, so in this video I have already discussed that how to deploy the code, how to uh, retrieve the code. Okay, so if do you have any questions related to that, so you can add in the comment box. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.